Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use wireless charging on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and set it up. So we want to make sure that whenever we press our phone, we go and really charge it. Open the settings and scroll down until you see battery and power saving. Here we have battery health and charging, and as you guys can see here, we want to make sure that we have everything set up like this. Now we shouldn't be worried about reverse wireless charging since it's charging other phones and etc., but it was about the charging speed. So we want to make sure that we set it up to smart charge, because low temp charge will just try and keep your phone cool while charging it, but we definitely don't want it because we want to make sure that we basically charge it with a fast speed here. So let's unplug it. It is on 10% now, and what are we gonna do? I'm gonna put it away for now. I'm gonna grab the charger. Now we're gonna plug it in and see if it works properly. Now basically you need to put your phone right in the middle, and as you guys can see, it says wireless charge. It is charging, and the phone is not too big here, so you can also put it on the other stand, so it can stand like this or like this, but it also works here on the flat grounds. We can see that it says wireless charge, and it works just fine. So now as you guys can see, if you saw that the phone just started randomly just going off, then simply remove the case, because the case is too thick to stand on something like this. It also is like it's a bowl in, so that's why it happens. But you will be able to charge your phone normally, and that's how you guys can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.